Good morning, students. How are you, everyone? I hope all are fine. So, bete, we are on chapter number 7, that is skeletal system and nervous system. Till now, we have read about the parts of the skeletal system, functions of the skeletal system. So, our next topic is joints. We are going to study about the joints. What are joints in our body? This topic is on page number 87, joints. So, let's read what are joints. Joints. A joint is a place where two or more bones meet. Bones are held together at the joint by a special tissue called a ligament. The tough elastic tissue called cartilage is also present on the surface of bones at the joints. Now, what is a joint? A joint is a place where two bones meet. Suppose here the two bones they are meeting. That is the joint. This is the joint. ये जो है हमारा जहाँ पे दोनों मिल रही हैं bones. That is the joint. Bones are held together at the joint by special tissue called ligament. ये किस चीज से अटैच है यहाँ पे किस चीज से held है together है. There is a tissue over here that is the ligament. उसे बोलते हैं ligament. That helps to hold the bones together. A tough elastic tissue called cartilage is also present on the surface of bones at the joint. There is also a very elastic, tough and elastic tissue present, that is the cartilage. That is also present on the surface of the bones. Cartilage. This is a soft tissue, very soft tissue. Cartilage. So the place where the two or three bones they meet, that is called the joint. इसे joint बोलते हैं. The bones they are held together with the special type of tissue, that is the ligament. There is also very soft and tough elastic tissue present on the surface of the bones on the joint, that is the cartilage. Most joints are movable. There are 4 types of movable joints in the body. Most of the joints they are movable. Suppose we are able to move our this knees, elbows, all this is because due to the movable joints. Our joints they are movable. If they are immovable, then we cannot move our arms and these legs. So most joints they are movable. There are 4 types of movable joints in the body. So we are going to study about the movable joints in our body. First movable joint is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. This type of joint allows movement in many directions. In this type of joint, the ball-shaped end of one bone fits into the cup-shaped end of another bone. The shoulder joint and hip joint are examples of ball and socket joint. So, bete, as the name itself telling us, what do you mean by ball and socket joint? Socket is electricity socket होता है जिसमें हम plug डालते हैं. The same way, this joint is like a socket in which the ball-like bone it fits. जिसको ball-like जो bone होती है वो उसमें fit हो जाती है. That is the ball and socket joint. How it fits in it? Let's see. Your shoulder joint is the ball and socket joint. This is the ball-like in which suppose this is your arm. आर्म है ये जो शोल्डर का जॉइंट है जो आपकी ये बॉल टाइप बोन होगी वो इसमें फिट हो जाएगी. दैट इज व्हाई यू आर एबल टू मूव योर शोल्डर. ये मैनी किसी भी डायरेक्शन में आप इसको मूव कर सकते हो शोल्डर पार्ट को बिकॉज इट इज अ बॉल एंड सॉकेट जॉइंट. द बॉल शेप्ड एंड ऑफ वन बोन फिट्स इनटू द कप शेप. इस जो बॉल शेप एंड है एक बोन का वो इसमें फिट हो जाता है. इसमें जैसे सॉकेट में आप प्लग डालते हो द सेम वे this bone it will act as a plug and this joint will act as a socket. Fits into the cup shaped end of another bone. The shoulder joint and hip joint are examples of the ball and socket joint. The 2 examples of this joint are shoulder joint and hip joint. So bete, this is shoulder joint, you can move in any direction. See over here on our shoulder. This bone होती है जो हमारी आर्म की, तो किस में फिट है वो, इस सॉकेट में जो गोल हमारा शोल्डर है इसमें. So this is a ball and socket joint. Next movable joint is hinge joint. Hinge is like your door. जैसे door में hinge होता है, that is why your door moves in all two directions. The same way our body also has hinge joints. Second is hinge joint. This type of joint only allows back and forth movement. It works like the hinges of a door. Bones in the knee, elbow, fingers and toes have this type of a joint. This joint allows movement in only for to and fro motions. Means back and forth movement. Means आगे movement और पीछे. Not in other direction. Not in left, not in right, not in up and not in down direction. The same way as your door opens. आगे पीछे door open कर सकते हो आप. Same way this joint also moves like that. This joint is present in bones of the knee. Knee को आप आगे पीछे कर सकते हो पर ऊपर नीचे तो नहीं कर सकते. The same way elbow, elbow को आप ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हो. This there is a hinge joint over here. इसमें सेंटर में आपकी hinge joint होता है. Next fingers, fingers को ऊपर या नीचे, that is called the hinge joints. Then toes, toes they can also move in to and fro motion. So this is all about the hinge joint. Next is pivot joint. This type of joint allows you to move your head up, down and sideways. It is found between the head and the first vertebra of your backbone. But this type of joint allows you to move head up and down. जो head आपका up and down move करता है, that is due to the presence of this pivot joint. Down, sideways. It is found between the head and the first vertebra of your backbone. ये हेड के बीच में और आपकी जो फर्स्ट वर्टिब्रा, फर्स्ट बोन है आपकी कॉर्ड की, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की, उसके बीच में होता है. नेक्स्ट इज ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट. दिस इज आल्सो द मूवेबल जॉइंट, ग्लाइडिंग. This type of joint allows the bones to slide against each other in a gliding motion. It is found between the bones of wrist and ankle. Gliding, gliding means एक दूसरे के ऊपर move करना, like a wrist. That is the gliding motion. So these type of bones, the joints are present in the bones of wrist and ankle. Ankle means that is present in your foot. So these are the four movable joints: ball and socket, hinge joint, pivot joint and gliding joint.